Hello everybody, we are the Northshorist Real Estate Group and we bring you hyper-local real estate, community, and lifestyle services. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the reasons to buy, and specifically the financial ones.
Yeah, there's great reasons to own property if you can afford to. Housing is one of the most leveraged investments available. You obviously can't get a mortgage on a stock investment. You're paying for housing whether you rent or own. You have to live somewhere, so owning is obviously beneficial. It's usually a form of forced savings. One of the people's most important assets is their home. And there are substantial tax benefits to owning as well, especially if you have a mortgage. So owning is a hedge against inflation.
Exactly. So we're going to go over a little bit of why the reasons to buy are now.
Absolutely.
First, we'll look a little bit into the past. So this is comparing over the last year, basically. We're looking at average price, interest rates, and then what would be calculated out as your PMI.
Which is your principal and interest payment.
So first, the average price, and again, these are national numbers.
Correct.
So they're going to be a little lower than the local numbers. This is from National Association of Realtors. So the average price has gone up a little above 7% in the last year. You can see that going from 227 to 244.
Yep.
The interest rate has also increased. This number is from Freddie Mac. This is a 30-year fixed. It's gone from 3.3 to basically 4.3, almost a full point increase there. And so that's made your principal and interest go up about $207 on the same property.
Right, that's a hefty monthly increase.
Exactly, and if you look over the 30-year span,
which you really don't want to do, it averages to a lot of money.
Yeah, it's about $75,000. So instead of looking back, let's look a little bit forward. So this is to November of this year, 2014. The average price increased, and this is from the Home Price Expectation Survey. They expected to go up about 4%, and depending on who you listen to, that might be a little bit more, a little bit less.
Correct.
The interest rate is also expected to rise. It looks about a full point again over the next year.
Some people even say it might be higher.
Exactly, and this is from the Mortgage Bankers Association. So that leaves you with a principal and interest of $1,412, which is, again, it's almost exactly the same.
Another $200 or so a month.
Yeah, same raise as it was last year. So what do we think is the lesson in all this?
So even though there is going to be an increase, it's still a great time to buy because prices are historically low and interest rates are still historically low, even if they go up to 5.5% or 6%. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, I think the takeaway is the sooner you do it, the better off you are.
Exactly. Well, if you liked our video, please subscribe to the channel. And remember, we're not just agents, we're Northshorist, just like you.